banana and what left? Alright. Per kilogram. Yeah. Alright, you reach a cashier. One main thing that me need sugar. I mean, need sugar and sweeten everyone. You know what? No, the little thing there's a, you see? I mean, I get no honey at town. That's it.
No, we never reach down here. Down there, the lady.
All the honey tree, good, then go this into the honey tree. Mash up.
Low.
Yes. And them are going to sell you for much price. Where the sugar then? Which one of the aisle is in a cornmeal aisle? Might be aisle 5. Alright, let me look. No. In product. Shampoo. No, I'm looking for sugar.
Sugar?
Mhm.
Aisle 4.
Thanks. La, 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 la. End of my Pardon?
Some mistake making me what is.
What happened?
Come here. Some mistake making on the camera and look to a 5,000 and it's supposed to have not that many the carry. It's a 10,000. So what we did about this one, that is 1,000.
So be the case then when you're 95 then you know say that.
Yes, because all this with a machine, you know, some mix up more.
I need to get back my money.
This use as a
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Me just try check my money to make sure. But you did give me my money and then me did make back one change and give you back. When they come to the other thing, then well you know say when you go to check it, when you go there to check it then you will see it and you put it back. You know me sure there's something to drink. You don't have no Oh. Oh God. Well, it's almost 100. You never lie. Just a come so we are go from this, you know, so we need a little, but the little bag here is a bag when we put inside this bag. Every time we come out, we go out. Yeah. preach yesterday. Same go, one partner in Canada, and somebody gave him four in the way name, sorry. He called it sorry. Okay. I'll just show them the receipt before we come back. Oh. Yeah, God, help me. There I go. Where? That way? That way? Come, you're going to this one. Can't be declaring. Oh, God, that's so good. So then $1 something for them, and good?
The $1 then?
You can give them to somebody? So what am I giving for? Them a pretend. But they know it's not no use. No. No, them not ask of you when it comes to dollar and cents. No, them will get, then take it out your hard money and throw it back and give you. Foolish people. So that back here look like it will everybody. Yeah, it looks puffy. You're harder, yeah. Thank God. Too bad to give it a shit. I should have need it. Because it depends on the machine, the change when I forget.
You can put the money and pick it out as $1,000. When I
And you're sure it's only $5,000 you can carry out. Okay. And you have one hard price, and you have one hard price.
$5,000.
Yeah. So